Dear students, we are in MSET Mathematics and now today we will start new chapter, 2A 9th chapter. Okay, probability. Okay, see in this class we are going to finish 4 questions. Let us try to solve 4 questions. 2A 9th chapter, probability. The probability of getting exactly 2 tails in 6 tosses of a fair coin is, see, normally what is fair coin? If you toss any coin, either tail or head will come. Fair means fairly it will come. If continuously toss is coming, sorry, head is coming, continuously tail is coming, means that is not a fair coin. Okay? Okay. Now, see, 6 times you have tossed coin. Probability is 6 times they may come heads, 6 times they may come tails, or 2 times heads, 4 times tails, or 4 times heads, 2 times tails, or 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, what it may be, like that it will come. Then how you are going to find this? Exactly 2 tails. That means 2 tails has to come. 4 heads may come. Naturally 4 heads will come. Exactly 2 tails means automatically what you are going to understand? 2 tails and 4 heads has to come. Okay. Now you see here, probability, let take A is event. Okay, see, A is event of, let A is equal to event of 2 tails. Okay, 2 tails. But what is sample space? Sample space S is equal to 6 tosses. Here too I will write number. Event of 2 tails is 6 tosses. How you are going to find the probability? Probability of A is equal to N of A by N of S. Okay. Now first we will see what is the sample space S. Sample space S I am writing here. That means NS I am writing here. 6 tosses you are making, head or tail will come. That means head or tail will come, 6 tosses. This will be 2 power 6. Like that you have to take. Okay? But because see, why you are taking, why because head tail, like that it may come. 6 times you are tossing. That is why 2 power 6 you have to take. Okay, this is the sample space. Sample space possibility or what we can say, sample space number. But now what about A? Event, number of event of 2 tails. How you are going to find it? Number of event of 2 tails. How you are going to find? 6C2. Why? Because N of A is equal to 6C2. Why? Because 2 tails has to come from 6. See, 6 tosses you are making means possibility of 6 tails are there, but you require only 2 tails. That means 6C2 you have to write. That means N of A by N of S is equal to 6C2 divided by 2 power 6. Okay? This will be your answer, but we will modify it. What we will get the answer? 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial divided by 2 power 6. See, 2 power 6 means shall I write 64? Okay, directly? Okay. Now you see 6 minus 2 factorial means what will come? 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial divided by 64. Okay? See, shall I write like this? 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 into 1 divided by 64. Okay? 4 factorial cancel out. That means 30 by 2 into 64. Okay? Why? Because the denominator only. Sorry, not like that. Okay? See, this will come. See, again here, not denominator. See, denominator's numerator. Like that we can say. Now you see 2 15s. 15 by 64 will be your answer. This is the probability of getting exactly 2 tails from 6 tosses. Okay. See, if you want to understand this question very easily, rather than 6 tosses, you make 3 tosses. Then you can understand this question very easily. Okay. If you take 3 tosses, then automatically you write. See, 3 tosses means first head, tail, head, tail, like that may come. That means at the time, how you are going to write 2 power 3 or something like you are going to write. 3 tosses you are making. Okay? And 2 tails have to come. 2 tails from 6 means, see, 3C2 will come. Okay? You take, see, 2 tails you keep like this only. Rather than 6 tosses, you take 3 tosses, then you are going to get easily answer. You can understand also. First you make it, then you understand this, it will be very easy. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see, second question. The probability of getting a total score of 7 when 2 unbiased dice are thrown simultaneously. See here, I want to draw one figure. First of all, understand this, what is dice. First of all, this is dice. Okay, see, 6 faces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back side, total 6 faces are there. 6 faces are there, 6 numbers are there printed on the die, each die. Like this, 2 dice they are throwing. The probability of getting a total of score of 7 when 2 unbiased dice they are throwing simultaneously. Okay. So normally, what will be the sample space first? See, sample space will be, comma, S will be, you see, first die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number may come. Okay, we cannot predict which one will come. 6 numbers. Into second die also 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will come. Okay. Now see, this is the sample space. What is the number? N of S. Observe carefully, when it comes 1, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 may come. 1 into 6, 2 into 6, 3 into 6, finally 6 into 6. 36 will be your NS. Understand? Sample space number will be 36. Now see, probability, now take A, event. Let A is the event of getting score 7. Understand? N is event getting score 7. See how we are going to get the score. First I am writing A. First 1 has come, okay. How to get 7? Then here 6 has to come. 6, okay. Next 2 has come, okay. Now if you get 5, then only this is going to become 7. Why? Because see, getting 7 I have already written. That means 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 6 plus 1. Rather than these possibilities, is there any possibility for getting 7? Why? Because see, 0 will not be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be there. Okay, on die. 2 dice you have thrown, that is why 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 and 6 may come, 2 and 5 may come, 3 and 4 may come, 4 and 3 may come, 5 and 2 may come, 6 and 1 may come, for coming 7. Remaining also will come, but for coming 7, these are the possibilities. Then what will be the number of this event? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, okay? This is 36. 6. Now we can write easily probability of A is equal to N of A by S of A. Sorry, N of S. That is equal to 6 by 36. That is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 will be your probability. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 3. Okay? Answer 2017 question. 3 faces of a fair die are yellow, 2 faces are red, 1 face is blue. See, we know very well, here we are talking about here only 1 die. 1 die means 6 faces are there. Among 6 faces, 3 faces are filled with yellow color. Okay? And 2 faces with red color. 1 face with blue color. Okay? That means total 6 pieces are 6 colors. Sorry, 3 colors. 3 colors, 6 faces. 3 colors, one face, one color, 2 faces, 1 color, and 1 face, 1 color. Okay, see, this die tossed 3 times. Tossed and thrown. Normally, coin is tossed, die is thrown like that we will call, but here die also tossed like that. That is not wrong. Die tossed or thrown. Okay, but 3 times you have tossed. That means 3 times you have thrown. What is the probability that the colors yellow, red, blue appears? Order is not important. That means yellow color will come, red color will come, and blue color will come. But how many times and all they have not mentioned. That means yellow, blue, and red will come. Okay? What is the probability like they are asking? See, first of all, we will write the sample space here. What will the sample space? Sample space, yes. 3 times we are throwing, 6 faces are there. If it is coin, 2 power 3, but this is not coin, this is die, 6 faces are there, that means 6 power 3. Sample space are, directly I am writing NS. Okay, 6 power 3. Why? Because 6 faces are there. See, it is coin means tail and head 2. Power something we will write, but here 3 times we have tossed, 6 faces are there, 6 power 3. 6 power 3 means what? 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18 plus 1, 3, 21, 216. See, sample space has come, 50% is over. Now, event we will take, event also what I will write, direct I will write, but here nothing is there to write. Okay, probability, colors yellow, red, blue will come. See, yellow 3 times are there. Okay, for coming red, 2 faces. For coming blue, 1 face. But this is not for 1 throw. 3 throws. 3 throws means what you are going to write? 3. But probability also you have to take 3. Why? Because see, 3, 2, 1 may come. Anything may come. That means you have to take this as 3 factorial. 3 factorial you have to take. That means 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 factorial. This is n of a. You understand this, how it has come and done? Okay. This you must have understood very easily. But here you think logically. Why? Because see, 3 is for yellow, 2 is for blue, red, 1 is for blue. But we have not thrown 1 3 times. 3 times we have thrown. That means 3, you think that only 3 you can write like. No, 3 factorial you have to write. Why? Why? Because the combination will be there. 3 to 1 exactly may not come, na? First red may come. Red also 3 times are there. Okay? That is why 3 factorial you have to take. Now what we are going to write? Probability of A. Standard. N of A by N of S. That is equal to 6 into 6 by 216. Why 3 into 2? 6 to 3 factorial also 6 only. That means you see 6. 36 times 6 times. 1 by 6 will be your answer. Okay? 1 by 6 will be your answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see here. Understand this question, MSET 2019 question. If 2 sections of strength 30 and 45 are formed from 75 students, from we have to write here. Okay. See, total 75 students were there. From 75 students, they are making 2 sections. 30 students are 1 section, and 45 students are 1 section. Total is going to become 75. Okay. Who are admitted in a school? Okay. Then the probability that 2 particular students are always together in the same section. You see here, 2 students are there. They are friends. They want to be together. That means if they want to go in one section, they will go in section A or section B. Let section A is having section A is having 30, section B is having 45 students. Okay. These 2 students, A and B, they want to go either section A or section B. But one in section A and one in section B, it is not possible. But because they want to go both together. What is the probability of that happening like they are asking? You see here, First of all, here you have to understand possibility. See, first of all, let me write n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay. Now you understand here. N of A means students both will come in section A. N of B means students may come in section B. N of A intersection means students will come in section A and section B. This is not possible. Why? Because see, student may come in section A or section B. In both sections, they are not going to happen. Both sections mean automatically one fellow in section A and one fellow in section B. That is not possible. That means here n of A intersection B will be 0. N of A intersection B is equal to 0. Understood why? Why? Because see, student may join in section A or section B, not in both. That is why this is 0. Then this probability they are asking. Probability of A union B. They are asking. Okay? Now see, probability of section A, probability of section B, if you add automatically, that will be your answer. Probability of section A, how you are going to take? See, two students in one section. 30 C. 30 C2. Okay? What about probability of B? 45 C2. Why? Because see, among 30 these students should go 2. Among 45 these students should go 2. Then what will be P A union B means? P A union B is equal to C 30 C2 plus 45 C2 divided by 75 C2. Why? Because total 75 are there. See, this is not a probability, this is number NA, NB. Okay. See, probability of A union B means again you have to take this one. Why? Because the sample space is this. N of S will be 75 C2, not N of S, P of S. Why? Because total sample is 75. From 75 only they are taking, na? Okay? Like that you have to take that. Okay? Let us proceed. That is equal to see 30 into 29 by 2. Why? Because see 30 into 29 into 28 factorial by 30 minus 2, 28 factorial. 28 factorial cancelled. Divided by 2. 2 factorial, but 2 factorial is 2 only. Plus 45 into 44 by 2 divided by 75 into 74 by 2. Okay? Okay, now you see there. Let it be. Okay, now shall I cancel these two? Why? Because the numerator and denominator, both two we can cancel. Okay, let us see. 29 into 30. 3 9s are 27. 2 are 6 plus 2, 8. 8 70. Plus. See, 45 4s are 180. Again 45 4s are 180. 1980 divided by 75 into 74. 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30. 7 5s are 35. 7 7s are 49, 52. 0 5 5 5 5 5 5 0. Okay. Now we see 780 plus. Let me do this calculation. 870 plus 1980. 0 15 18 2850. 2850 by 5550. 0 0 you cancel out. Okay, see 5 ones. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. Okay, see 3 ones, 3 9s, 3 3s 9, 3 sevens. That means 19 by 37. 19 by 37 will be your probability. Okay? Now we'll do one thing. We'll stop this class. We'll continue in the next class for further 4 questions. Thank you very much.